Hello everyone, it's me, Daniel with Website Candy, and what I wanted to show you guys today is the Adobe applications that they have updated to 2014 CC. So for instance, I'm going here into Dreamweaver, and what we have in Dreamweaver, the main thing I want to show you that if you're not familiar with Dreamweaver, if you're not 100% up to speed with Dreamweaver, when you first open it up, what you're going to get is you're going to get a dialog box right in the center to kind of explain some basic things of how to use Dreamweaver, what Dreamweaver is really for. A lot of times people are a little bit apprehensive in reference to going into an application for the simple fact they don't necessarily know um, what it involves or what it can do for them. But you can see right here they give you a little tour in reference to kind of going in, kind of showing you some of the new nuances that Dreamweaver has to offer. And it's really awesome. It's really great. Makes it a lot easier, and then you can kind of go over here into live editing, all kind of different little things. CSS, using CSS, and right here is where the video is going to play. So a lot of times, a lot of my subscribers here have been watching the videos that I've been uploading to YouTube. However, these are a lot of great, awesome videos that, they're offering in reference to the new Dreamweaver, in reference to getting started with Dreamweaver and making sure that you're uh, up to speed in reference to all the new nuances and how to use them. And one thing that I really appreciate and like is right on the Creative Cloud website, they are offering also some of the tutorials there in reference to making sure that you understand the program and how it works and how everything is doing what it does. I am here on my slower machine, so means that I try to start this video here. It's not starting. I'm just gonna go ahead and force quit that. I do want to take you over here to Illustrator, and over here within Illustrator they kind of do the same thing. The tutorials are a lot easier to get to versus Dreamweaver over here in Illustrator, and it's really awesome. Some really awesome things that they've offered here in reference to understanding how to use Dreamweaver. I do take time and I do invest in different courses throughout the web. I do look at a lot of lynda.com tutorials in reference to, I do have my favorites there, such as, Deeks Techniques, James Williamson with Dreamweaver. Paul Trainey is huge. If you guys are not following Paul Trainey with Adobe, you're totally missing out because this guy knows pretty much everything. Edge Animate, Reflow. He's doing tutorials on Illustrator. He's doing tutorials on Photoshop, Dreamweaver, especially if you're working with, excuse me, especially if you're working with WordPress. He's really, really good in reference to all the Adobe programs that Adobe has to offer. And you can see here that I only use a few of them out of the whole entire suite that they offer there. So once we get Illustrator up here and I kind of show you some of the tutorials that they're offering, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, shut it down, let you get on with your day, let you go ahead and get started opening up these applications to see what they have to offer. Every application doesn't necessarily have the tutorials built within them. However, there are some. InDesign, I do know, has a preview of what's new. InCopy actually did not have a preview of what was new. So we're still getting a little beach ball here, and it'll be loaded up here in a second. And you can see where they have the tutorials in reference to right here inside of Illustrator. So let me see if I can find them, because I might have just went ahead and bypassed the actual tutorials. Okay, here they go right here. Just being a little impatient. So like I mentioned before, here's the welcome screen in reference to, your Illustrator. You can get started with a, if you decide you want to start creating, you can create a new document, open a new file right from here. But right here is the new features and some of the tutorials that they offer. This tutorial right here is pretty much a written tutorial. One thing is really cool here is they offer the free files that you can download for 425 kilobytes. Is zipped up there, but here's the written tutorial in reference to, kind of showing you how to round the corners there, right here within Illustrator. Let me go back here to the new features, and you can come over here to, the pen tool preview. Here's the files that you can grab right here, and you can see where everything's going to upload. It looks like there's a video right here, but it's just not rendering through right now, in reference to my machine moving a little slow. This is my secondary machine. My MacBook Pro with the SSD does all the heavy lifting, especially with the Adobe programs here. So you can see, some basic drawing shapes. This cool little bus right here looks really cool, and it's just a series of shapes, and they're going to show you exactly how to do that, how to create that, and it's really awesome. And they also have a lot of video tutorials right within here, and you can actually play the video tutorial. You can see this is a read file where you read the tutorial. I'm trying to find one here where you can actually watch the tutorial in reference to and this right here is like an animation right here where you can kind of skip through it, and you can kind of see the tool that they're using to create shapes, where you can combine shapes, things of that nature, and you can mouse over it and you can see how it all kind of works there. But like I mentioned before, they absolutely do have video tutorials. Actually, here's one right here, and I can come over here and I can play this tutorial, and I can actually watch this. And for copywriting, from YouTube, I don't want to play this video and get in trouble. But this video is only 2 minutes long. You can actually come over here. You can watch the video in full, understanding, different your tool panels here, custom tool panels. So make sure that you open up those applications and see and watch the tutorials that they have to offer. It could propel you forward to jump out there and really create. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Goodbye now.